Hey y'all, it's Emily, and today I got another flip box in the mail. So today I'm going to be unboxing it, trying everything on, and deciding if I'm going to keep anything. So actually, I am now a flip ambassador or content creator because they watched my last flip fit unboxing video, which I will link in the corner for you if you haven't watched it already. Go check it out. And they reached out to me asking if I wanted to be a content creator. So basically what a content creator is they will send me 12 items instead of the original 7, and then these items should be things that they haven't sent to anybody else before, so I should be the first one trying these on, taking pictures of them, and then posting them onto the app. And then I have a longer amount of time before I have to return them. I think I have 20 days to keep them for, so that I can take high quality pictures to post on the app. Also, I will link the app in the description. It's just Flip Fit, and you can follow me there. And my username, I think, is just it's Emily Nicole. So go check that out. And if you're interested in Flip, they're basically a site that'll send you clothes to try on. You decide what you want to keep, and then you return everything that you don't want to keep, and then whatever you do keep, you will pay for. And then also they have a form of credits that if you go click through items on the app, you can earn basically money through the app, and you can redeem those credits for up to 30% off the items that you decide to keep. They actually used to do it so that you would be able to get items for free if you had enough credits, but they recently changed that, so now I will have to be paying for anything that I decided to keep. Also, you do now have to pay $20 for them to send you their box, but you will get all of the money back as soon as you return everything. Unless you decide to keep something, then the money will go towards what you keep. That is also a change from what it was before. So without further ado, let's stop rambling and start opening and unboxing the box. So first they sent me another little card with a handwritten note. So I have my return label, some tape to tape it up, and this tells me everything that's inside it. And let's just start with the first item. Okay, so first I have this blue floral dress with lots of fringe. So the brand of this one is Fate, and it is a tiered ruffle floral print maxi dress. Size small, and it would be $78. So there's that one. It looks like it will not be completely a maxi dress on me. It's pretty long, but it does not go all the way down to my ankles, which is normal because I'm tall. So this would be our first item. I'm actually going to put it on a hanger and hang it on my little clothes rack right here. So here's the first item. It's not really my style, and like the cut of it and the fit is a little interesting. I definitely wouldn't keep this, but I think it would be super fun to take photos in. The skirt of it is very flowy and fun. So here's what it looks like. Okay, so next I have another dress that's also by Fate. Here's what it looks like. It's a floral white dress. This one could be cute. It's a little like halter type turtleneck-ish. So this would be the tight waist floral halter neck mini dress by Fate in size small, and it would be $68. Okay, here's the next item. It's a shorter dress. I love the little like tie at the front, and I think it makes a cute little bow. I don't really know my thoughts on this. I feel like in another world this would be my style. I kind of love it, I think. I'm not sure. It's kind of cute. It's kind of fun. It's a little bit unique, so I like that. It fits quite nice. Okay, I think I like this one, but I'm not certain about that. But here it is, and let's move on to the next item. Okay, so next there is another dress. I already think this one's going to be pretty cute because I love the color and I love anything that has buttons on it. So this one is from Lost in Wonder, which I kept something from this brand in my last flip box. So this would just be a button front mini dress from Lost in Wonder, size small, and it would be $98. Okay, so here is the next item. So it's got buttons all the way down. It's slightly off the shoulder, but you can style it however. And then the sleeves are like halfway length, I would say. I think this is so cute. I love the color. I love the buttons. I think it is slightly too small because it's a stretchy material, but it's got buttons. And so when it like stretches, you know, the buttons it'll create odd gaps. I think it's so cute. I'm trying not to fall in love with a lot of these because these are expensive pieces, and again, my credits that I have earned don't go a long way anymore. So yeah, here's this one, and I think it's really cute. So next, this one is also from Fate. They sent me a lot of things from Fate. This is a gray sweater with little pink lightning bolts on it. So this would be a distressed graphic sweater from Fate by LFD in size small, and it would be $48. And here's what it looks like. Okay, so here's the next item. This one I don't love just because I'm not a big fan of like sweaters or lightning bolts. I mean, I think the fit is fine and it's like a pretty cute top, but also it's like summer basically, and this is definitely not my style. I mean, I like the pink, I don't mind gray, but it just looks a little bit tacky in my opinion. But yep, here is this one. So next I have this pink lace top. It's kind of like a tank top, slightly cropped. So this is a lace detail top from the brand Mystery in size small, and it would be $54. Okay, here's the next top. I really don't like this. I usually tend to stay away from like more neutral colors, like actual neutral colors, like light pinks, tans, and colors like that, because I just think it blends in with my skin too much and I don't really love that look. Also, the lace is kind of not my favorite, but here it is anyways. It's slightly cropped, kind of, and yeah, here's this one. So we have another tank top from the brand Fate again, and this is a like blue and white tie-dye top. So this is a loose tie-dye linen blend halter tank from Fate in size small, and it would be $38. Okay, so here is the next top, and I think I actually like this one, and I really like the cut of the top of it. I like halter top styles, and then it's slightly loose at the bottom and fringed a little bit. I think it's cute. I wouldn't keep it though because I don't think it's like that special, but I do enjoy this top. So next they sent me a ribbed bodysuit from Lost in Wonder. It's got some interesting sleeves. So this is just a fitted bodysuit from Lost in Wonder in size small, and it would be $55. Okay, so here's the next item, and I don't really like this item at all. It reminds me of 6th grade dance class, and it's just not that flattering on me. I just don't really like it. It's not that like comfortable. It's a little weird fitted and very thin. It's like kind of loose too. It doesn't like fit to form that well. I mean, I liked the idea of the sleeves. I just don't think they're really cute in person. So here is this item. Also, the back's like tie up, so that's interesting. Next we have some pants. So we have these light blue stretchy pants from Fate again. These would be utility jogger pants from Fate in size medium, and they would be $68. Okay, so this is the first pair of pants that I tried on. So these ones are pretty cute. Like, they've got nice zippers and a little like ribbon of fabric that goes down the side. I think they're cute. They fit kind of nicely, but they're very casual pants. They can definitely be dressed up or dressed down. I think they're pretty cute. Next we have some simple jeans from the brand Just Black, and they just look like a regular pair of denim jeans. Okay, these are low-rise skinny stretch jeans from Just Black denim in size 28, and they're $78. So the next pair of pants would be these jeans. I think that they are pretty basic. They're just a basic pair of jeans. They're very long though, I will say. It's hard to find jeans that are long enough for my legs, but these ones are honestly the perfect length. They're very comfortable also, and they fit pretty well. I do like them, but they're a very basic piece. Next I have some black shorts from the same brand. So these are mid-rise roll cuff denim shorts from Just Black denim in size medium, and they are $48. The next item I have would be these black high-waisted shorts. I am looking for a pair of black high-waisted shorts, or high-waisted shorts of any color, because I do enjoy a good high-waisted short. But these ones are just like only slightly high-waisted, and I don't enjoy the fit of them. Like, they do fit me well, but I don't really like the style of them. But I do think they're a good basic piece. Next we have some cute colorful striped shorts. These are high-rise striped paper bag shorts from Skies Are Blue in size medium, and they're $54. So the next pair of shorts I love the color of. They are a little bit big on me. They're medium, and typically I'll wear anywhere between like a small or a medium on bottom, and these ones did end up being a little bit big, but I do think that they are adorable. I kind of love them. Here's what they look like. Okay, this is the last item, and these are some green high-waisted pants. So these would be high-rise crop paper bag pants from Fate in size medium, and they would be $68. And that is the last item in the box. So the last pair of bottoms would be these green jeans. They're kind of fun. They're very high-waisted. They've got a cute little ruffly top. They're a little short, but I don't mind it. The style of it is kind of like loose, a little bit baggy, and they slightly taper down. They've got interesting pockets on the front. They've got the regular pocket that like most pants have, as well as a back pocket on the front as well. I think they're cute, they're interesting, they're good to style. They're not exactly my style, but I do think they're kind of cute. Now that I've tried everything on and shown you, I also went ahead and took a bunch of pictures of them. So the next thing to do would be to upload the pictures onto the app. I also already emailed the pictures to the Flip company and they okayed them. They said it's good to post. And so that's what I have to do next. I have completed my order on my Flip box, so now I have to package everything up that I don't want and send it back. At the beginning of this video, I mentioned that you can earn credits on the app and then you can use the credits for up to 30% off of anything you decide to keep. Well, originally they did it so that you could earn up to 100% off of anything using your credits if you had enough credits. And then they changed it to 30% for a little bit, but I believe they changed it back to where you would get 100% off because I completed my order and decided to keep a few things to see how much they would cost, and it ended up giving me a total of $0 and they used my credits. And also I looked back on like Flip terms and conditions and they said nothing about 30% off, so I believe that they decided not to do that, which I'm very happy about that. So yes, I did decide to keep a few items because I used my credits to get them. So let me tell you what I decided to keep and not keep. Okay, so the first thing that I pulled out would be this dress, I believe. So this one fit pretty well and I love the style of it. I think it's a very unique dress. It looks nice on me. I like the cut of the shoulders. I like the slight flow of it and the little belt. And so I will be keeping this one. I think it's adorable. It looks nice on me and I love this. So I'm keeping this one. The next item I pulled out would have been this green button-up dress, which I absolutely love, but it is a little bit tight on me. It is a small, which should fit, but I guess it's supposed to be a more form-fitting dress and it's a little too form-fitting. So sadly, I will not be keeping this one, but I do love this dress. So the next dress we had was this very flowy blue floral dress. This one, I think it was kind of cute. It's long, but it's not like super long on me. It's got this little tie in the front, but it is a very low cut. It's not really my style and I don't love it enough to keep it, so I will not be keeping this one. So next, moving on to tops. This one's just a basic sweater. I like the pink. I mean, I think it's a fine sweater, but I'm not in need of a sweater. I'm not looking for a sweater and I don't love this enough to keep it, so I will not be keeping it. Next we have this pink lace top. This one's kind of cute. Like, I've grown to like it, but I don't love it. Like, the style's kind of cute. I do love pink, and so I do like this. Yeah, I do really like this. I'm just not going to keep it because I'm not in love with it. Okay, next we have this black bodysuit. I don't love the fit of it or the look of it on me at all, and it's very fitted and very, very thin material. I don't really like this at all. I'm not keeping it. Okay, these pants, I do enjoy them. I think they fit well. They're kind of cute. I do like them actually, but I will not be keeping them just because they're very casual and they're like high-waisted, but like not super high-waisted. They're a slightly awkward like high waist length. I do really like and enjoy them, but I will not be keeping them. I don't think they work well with a lot of things in my closet. Okay, so the next item would be these high-waisted baggy shorts, and I think the color of these is lovely. I do love the style and the color of them and the fit. They're a little bit big on me. I will admit they're a little bit loose, kind of baggy, which they're supposed to be, but they are a little bit big for me, but I love them enough that I am going to be keeping them because they are very cute. Next we have these pair of jeans. I do think they fit nicely. They were very, very comfortable, but they're just such a basic pair of jeans. I do have many pairs of jeans, many also that are similar to this, and I just don't need a new pair. So I will not be keeping this. Next we have these black shorts. I enjoy that they're high-waisted. I just don't love the fit of them. They're very basic and they're not really what I'm looking for, so I will not be keeping these. The last item would be these green shorts. I do like the waist of them. I think they're kind of cute. They're not really my style though, and they don't fit the best on me. Like, I don't like the fit on them, even though they do technically fit, so I will not be keeping these ones. Oh, last item, I'm actually wearing it right now. I almost forgot about it, would be this blue tie-dye shirt. I do really like this shirt. I think it looks nice on me. It's like, I like the colors, and I think it's a very cute shirt, but I will not be keeping this one just because it is too simple in my opinion. So I'm only keeping these two items, and now you are going to be seeing me packaging up all of the items so that I can send them back, and then I will see you for the outro right afterwards. Okay, so that is all of the video. You've seen what I'm keeping, what I'm not keeping, what I like, don't like, just everything about the flip process. So if you are interested in this company, they will send you clothes for free. You just have to pay $20 up front, but you will get it back in the end. So you're initially not paying anything and you get to try them on, even style them and wear them while you keep them, and then you only pay for what you decide to end up keeping. So it's like an online fitting room is what they call it. I think it's fun even if you don't want to keep anything, just to try on some cute items and new styles. And it's great right now when a lot of fitting rooms and stores aren't open at the moment. And if you follow me, then you can go vote on the looks that I have posted for this flip box and the last one, and then you can earn credits on the app and initially get clothes for free in the end. So if you're interested in it, definitely go check it out. It's in my description. Anyways, if you liked this video, then definitely give it a like. Go watch some of my other videos. If you're interested, I will link a playlist in the corner of some fashion videos, so that if you're interested in these types of videos, you can definitely go watch some more. And also subscribe if you haven't already. You can subscribe by hitting the button below or the icon on the corner of the screen if you're using a computer. And I try to post every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Sometimes that does not work out because I do have work that is scheduled honestly kind of randomly, but you will see me posting videos every week. So see you next time. Bye.